Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 tips and tricks for your camera at the Samsung Galaxy A22 and A22 5G. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is about to quick launch the camera, because if you're double tapping the power button, you're immediately at the camera without looking for the camera app and so on. That saves time and maybe a great picture. So one more time, just double tap the power button and you're immediately at the camera. A nice tool. And what is very great, also if you're on standby, if you double tap the power button, you're also at the camera, and this really saves time because you don't have to unlock the screen and so on and so on. You're immediately at the camera, and maybe this saves you a great picture one day. Okay, the next tool I want to show you is the volume up button, because you can take pictures with them. So that means that you don't have to press here the shutter button. You can just work with the power button to take pictures. Same works also for videos. If you want to start your video, just press the volume up button, and also if you want to stop your video, just press the volume up button again and the video has stopped. And by the way, if we are here at the camera, did you know that you just shoot pictures with 12 MPs instead of the 48 MPs? Yes, it is like this. So, but how you can change this so that you take your pictures with 48 MPs? For that, you have to go here on this point, 3, 2, 4. So this point here, 3, 2, 4. And here on the outside, at the very first point, you have the point 3 to 4, 48 MPs. So one more time, tap it, go on 3 to 4, 48 MPs. And now you have the full resolution of your camera, so the highest resolution. But you cannot really focus here. You can't focus. And also you have to hold your camera very steady if you're taking pictures. So this is the reason why I would recommend to you to shoot also pictures with the basic settings with 3 to 4, because these pictures becomes, by the way, also a bit more smooth and so on. So I would recommend to you to shoot the pictures. But if you want to, also the pictures with the 12 MPs, but if you want to have the highest resolution that you later can zoom in and so on, take this option, what I have shown you before. Okay, let's come to the next point. This is a selfie thing. So that means if you want to make a selfie picture, there's a way to start, also to make a picture without pressing the shutter button as well. If you put your palm like this, I don't know if you can see that. If you put the palm like this, it will recognize that you want to make a selfie, and it gives a countdown. One more time, I put my palm like this here. Can you see that here on the screen? I put my palm like this, and we will have here a countdown, and then our picture, our selfie picture is done. So a very nice mode. Okay, there's another nice feature to support that thing. So we can install a countdown. So if we press the shutter button, that we have maybe 5 or 10 seconds, we can prepare and so on. And yeah, just go here on this point, on the top, in the middle. So it's a clock with off in it. So tap it. And now you can set a time, 2, 5 or 10 seconds. And then we will see a countdown. And then we have our picture. So let's maybe take here 2 seconds. So if I press now the shutter button, I have 2 seconds time. I see the countdown, and then bam. So nice if you want to have a good picture and you want to be part also of the good picture if the thing with the hand doesn't work. And you can put also filters here on your pictures. So we have now help again from our little friend here. So let me show you what I mean. So you can pep up a bit your pictures to change the colors a bit. And yeah, just go on the magic stick on the top. And then we will have here some filters. You can put more grays in it maybe. No? You can put it in black and white. No? You can make it more like in the afternoon and so on and so on. So many opportunities. And yeah, here below you can shoot, of course, your picture then. And you can also change the intensity, by the way. So you can really do some stuff here until you find the right color for your mood. And let me off it again here, because I want to show you also here the face thing. This is a beauty filter. You have to turn it off here at this point again. Turn it on, I'm sorry. You have to turn it on here again. So, and now you can change some stuff with the eyes. You can make the jawline a bit smaller. You can change the tone, you can change the smoothness, and so on and so on. But to be honest, we can off it because everyone is beautiful, and we don't need beauty filters. And you can make also slow motion videos here with that phone. So for that, go here on more, go on more, and go here then on slow motion. Okay, so choose a nice scene then, and then you can record your slow motions. And then next to the shutter button, we have then here the preview, and we see our video. I hope you have a better scene than me. And yeah, after, I would recommend to you really to go here on the editing symbols, so to the pen, and here you can set up which part you wanted to have, and then you can crop just the part you wanted to have here for your slow motion, and then just go here on save, and it is part after of your gallery. And we have also a night mode here at this phone, so it means if it's very dark around you, like in the night, you can brighten your pictures with a special feature. So let me show you first where you can find that. So if you go here on more again, we will have here the point night. And if you enable it, you make more bright pictures in the night. Okay, let me off the light here first. So now it is dark, but it should be not too dark, because if it's very dark, the pictures will not be that good. I have a little support here with a flashlight of one of my phones, and so this should be maybe the moon. And yeah, so let's take now a night picture and let us compare it with the basic pictures. So we have now the night mode here. So you have to hold your hands very steady. And now we have here the night picture. Okay, let me go back and take also a picture with the basic cam that we can compare it after. Okay, let me turn on the light again. Up. So, welcome back. So let's compare these both pictures. So this is the picture I've shooted with the main cam without the night mode, and this is the picture I shoot with the night mode. And as you can see, it really brightens the picture in the night. So a nice mode, but you have to hold, as I said, your hands really steady if you're taking the pictures. And the last feature I want to show you is the augmented reality, because we have also some nice features here. So for that, let's go here on the point more. And now we will need this point here, Deco Pick. Tap on Deco Pick. So, and now, I hope you can see that. And now, we'll come a bit closer. So, and now we can maybe put me a mask on. He's fine in the face, and I have then a mask on here and so on. I can use the shutter button. Oh, it looks totally serious. Press the shutter button to have a picture then, or if you long press the shutter button, you can make a video then here of your screen. And yeah, really sweet. But you have also some more tools here, because you can put also stamps on here, like which day is today, no? So you can put it on another position, turn it a bit, and so on. And yeah, you can put also something like this, also nice for the status and WhatsApp and so on. And pretty cool things here. And yeah, choose some stuff you want to have, and you can wish also happy birthday here and so on. And you can really pep up your pictures with this augmented reality features. Yeah, try a bit I think you will like it. And also if you find it's only for children, you will find something what is maybe useful, like the date or something like this. Huh? Yeah, we are at the end already, and I hope I could show you something you didn't know already about your camera. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment for that video if you liked it. Give me a thumbs up, that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe if you want, you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.